Hello everyone, welcome to Demystifying Networking, where we demystify complex networking concepts. In this video, we are going to have a look at a scenario related to IP TTL. If you have not watched my video on how TTL works, then I recommend you to watch that video first in order to answer this question. In this scenario, we are going to ping from PC1 to PC2 with an initial TTL value of 3 and we'll see if this ping succeeds or fails. So let's get started and see if this ping from PC1 to PC2 with an initial TTL value of 3 succeeds or fail. PC1 sends an IP packet with destination IP address of PC2 and a TTL value of 3 to router 1. Router 1 then verifies if that IP packet is destined to the router itself. In this case, the answer is no, because the destination IP address 10.10.22.22 is not one of the IP addresses configured on router R1. Router R1 then verifies if the TTL of the received IP packet is greater than 1 or not. In this case, the IP TTL value of the received IP packet is 3, which is greater than 1. So in this case, router R1 performs a routing table lookup for destination IP address and finds the next hop IP address and the exit interface. The router R1 then decrements the IP TTL by 1 and sends an IP packet with updated TTL value of 2 to router R2. R2 then verifies if that packet is destined to the router itself. In this case, the answer is no. The router then verifies if the TTL of the received IP packet is greater than 1 or not. In this case, it is greater than 1. So the router performs a routing table lookup for the destination IP address. The router then decrements the IP TTL by 1 and sends an IP packet with an updated TTL value of 1 to router R3. When the packet reaches R3, R3 verifies if that packet is destined to the router itself. In this case, the answer is no. The packet is not destined to router R3. As the IP packet is not destined to the router, it must be routed. But before that, R3 checks if the TTL value of the received packet is greater than 1 or not. In this case, the IP TTL value of the received packet is not greater than 1. So in this case, the router R3 decrements the TTL value by 1 and the TTL becomes 0. Router R3 then drops that packet and sends an ICMP time exceeded message to the source. So the answer to this scenario-based question is the ping from PC1 to PC2 with a TTL value of 3 will fail. Now let's verify the results in the lab. Let's go to PC1 and ping PC2 with an initial TTL value of 3. And as discussed, the ping has failed and R3 has sent an ICMP time exceeded message to PC1. I hope this video helped you in understanding the concept of IP TTL. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Demystifying Networking for more such useful videos.